Alright guys, welcome again to Overland Subaru International. This weekend we're going to the Montagne Noire in Saint-Donat. We're gonna spend the night up top, then after we're going down and we're gonna take some beautiful pictures. Stay down, you're gonna see them. It's gonna be very awesome. My name is Sebastian, if you don't know me, and I hope so you're gonna like it. So let's start with a couple of pictures. I was actually waiting my friend over there, and that spot is a beaver dam spot, very tight. Loved it. It's down the bottom of the Montagne Noire. Then you're going up to the river. You just cross the river on that bridge over there, and you end up into that sand pit over there. There was tons of quads and cross MX motocross and stuff like that. They were playing around. I was waiting for my friend during the time I was there. Then after, I'm here to have some fun, so I took some pictures, and yeah, that's the start of this episode today. I hope you're gonna like it. What's up, gang? Today we're at the Montagne Noire, and we're having fun today. Overland. A couple of guys are they're coming up, according to what I understand. We're waiting for them. So during the time, got a good time over here. It's a beautiful place, and there's a couple of trucks, and yeah, that's gonna be the the episode of today. Again, thank you for choosing Overland Subaru International. Thank you very much to be with me, and I hope you're gonna like it. So far so good. Meanwhile, take care and have a good day. Sign up, subscribe. I hope you're gonna like it. And it's a go. Club Evasion 4x4. That rock is killing me. Boy.
Vraiment du relais parce que à bord, tabarnak. Ça va durer 5 fois. Il parle de son antenne inventée, j'imagine, son antenne de CB.
Bypass right in. Ah, même pas payé pareil, hein? Ben... Elle est passée, t'avais 2 grosses roches. Un petit peu de flex. Ah, t'avais 3 grosses roches. That's it.
Nathan, tu voulais-tu aller laisser?
Tu veux aller faire de la trail avec un full size? Go! Enjoy! There you go. Ouais, t'as tes 2 roches là, fais attention. Là, avance, là, t'es dessus. Il y a de la clairance, lui. Ah, il vient de la sortir, ouais. Ça va être beau le flex à la sortie. Tabarnak! C'est quoi qu'on disait, les Ford, ça flex?
Ouais, c'est le frein.
C'est le frein qui flex, c'est-tu? T'as une grosse roche, je vais la poigner là. Ouais, t'es dessus. C'est bon. On passe en masse. Un petit flex ici. Un petit flex, yeah. That's it. Fait que c'est ça le plan, puis moi je vais me crisser de m'enlever de là parce que...
C'est ça le plan?
Bon. Bon. C'est un esti de beau plan, mais si la sling elle pète, le pas l'avoir en face.
Dans la peau, ça pèse rien.
On s'en vient, Ciao.
Écoute,
On va se voir tantôt? Oui. Let's go! Momentum! Non, on va pas monter dessus. That's it! Ah! Pardon! Aïe aïe!
C'est quoi?
Hey, poignant de 2 roches. Des poignants de 2 roches. Avance, mets-toi droit. Mets-toi droit, tu vas passer par-dessus. Droit. Passenger, es-tu capable de virer? Ouais, that's ça. OK. Ouch. Ouais, ça, hein? C'était quelque chose, hein? Même moi, pour y aller à pied, c'est quelque chose, tu sais. Arrête ça, gros, t'as plus de 4 pattes. T'as plus de 4 pattes. T'as plus de 4 pattes, là, gros. 10-4. Ils m'ont dit, ce train va loin. Ce train va loin, tranquillement, pas vite.
Exactement, Miguel, tu fais la petite à gauche?
Elle en a eu de pour son argent, là.
Ouais, mais mon père, il a un problème dans le cul.
En plus,
Ouais.
aide pas.
Fait qu'il va, quand ça le brosser,
Ah, ça y a fait mal. Ah, mais ça a brassé. Tabarnak.
Ah, j'ai vu ça.
Hey!
J'étais sûr qu'elle restait.
Passer par le sapin. Land Cruiser. Il a tassé. Land Cruiser en descendant.
Oui.
Ok. Vas-y, vas-y.
T'es pas même, il veut voir si ton super micro.
Ouais, je vais m'en aller là. Malgré que non. Je vais m'en aller au bord, je pense. Oups. Ah, c'est juste la grosse roche qui est là, là. Ah, that's it. Ah non, le cardan, ouais. Oh, c'est y a remonté encore. Hey, ça va? What's up?
C'est quoi ton stock? Je voudrais pas avoir le même stock, l'essayer, ouais,
C'est du stock naturel, le gros! C'est full bon! Non, la roche est coincée. Regarde le squick.
Ok, c'est une roche.
Nope. Facile! Toi, toi. There you go. Puis moi, ben on oublie ça. Forget about me. Never mind. What's up? Yeah. Yeah. Ben ouais. C'est ta caillette. Handicap!
I know I can read your mind. probably don't even want to. Damn, it's so hard to let go, to let go. To let go.
Ouais, moi j'ai besoin d'un spotter, ça.
All right, so we just arrived at the top of the mountains. It's a beautiful, beautiful scenic view. You could see right there all the way down to Mont Tremblant. So, and there's other mountains. You're at the exact same height, or almost 892 meters up top of the Montagne Noire. So that's the height. We're gonna sleep over there. That's gonna be very cold night. We're a bunch of people and we're all gonna sleep in our truck. So we're expecting that to be very cold, minus 5 degrees out there. So yeah, night is coming up. This beautiful sun is going out and we need to actually prepare our stuff. We're gonna eat, and beautiful fire over there, and we're gonna have plenty of fun. This experience at the Montagne Noire for me was the first time. The night, I would be honest with you, I would do it again, no problem, but different. It was really, really cool, and but yeah, very great experience. Did I have any problems with my Forester to go up? Most of the guys I was with, they were big truck and 35 at least and everything. With my Forester, to be honest with you, it was limit, but possible to do. So I got a good time as long as I'm taking my time and placing my stuff. And these guys were amazing just to wait for me, and we got a blast. We got a good time. We enjoy the time at the fire. We took some great picture over there, couple of beers, and we were up for the night because tomorrow will be another great day. Now, I hope so you're gonna look at the Club Evasion 4x4, and thank you again for be with me with Overland Subaru International, and make sure to be there because the next episode on the way down from the mountain will be next week. All right, take care guys. Ciao, ciao. Thank you again.